Imagine a tidal wave, but instead of water, it's molasses. On January 15, 1919, a massive storage tank in Boston's North End burst, unleashing over 2 million gallons of thick, sticky molasses. The wave rushed through the streets at 35 mph, crushing buildings, overturning vehicles, and trapping people and horses in its path. 21 people lost their lives and more than 150 were injured. The cleanup took months, with molasses tracked as far as subway platforms. This bizarre disaster left a sticky mark on Boston's history and led to stricter regulations for industrial safety.